Introducing Kraft Fitted Wardrobe's innovative sliding door wardrobes, where functionality meets elegance. Imagine opening your wardrobe with a smooth glide, revealing a perfectly organized and stylish space. Our sliding door wardrobes are designed to seamlessly blend into your living spaces, adding a touch of modern sophistication. With a wide range of design options and color variations, you can customize your wardrobe to match your unique style. Whether it's your bedroom, living room, or any space in your home, our sliding door wardrobes offer a practical storage solution without compromising on aesthetics. Experience the convenience and elegance of sliding door wardrobes with Kraft Fitted Wardrobe London. Transform your space into a stylish sanctuary today. Call us now, for a free estimate. Or visit our showroom at Kraft, 902 Uxbridge Road, Hayes, London, postcode UB40RW.